Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to read another lesson, Storm in the Garden. After the lesson, The Wind and the Sun. Now let's see what is there in this lesson. Sunu Sunu, the snail, is playing with his friends, the ants. Suddenly, there is a storm. He hurries to his mother and tells all he saw and heard when he was playing. There was a snail whose name was Sunu Sunu. When he was playing in the garden with his friends the ants, there was suddenly a storm, and he quickly went to his mother to tell what he has seen when he was playing in the garden and the storm came. Sunu Sunu the snail was visiting his friends ants. In the garden, Sunu Sunu went to his friends the ants to play. They climbed all over him. They means ants. When he went to his friends to play, all the ants, his friends, climbed all over him. And they climbed under him. They said, hee 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 hee. Means they laughed when they played with Sunu Sunu and they climbed all over him, all under him. They laughed and they giggled. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. When they were playing, suddenly what happened? A white light crashed, means a white light hit hard with a loud noise through the clouds. Sunu Sunu got scared. He quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail and sat very still. When he heard the crashed sound light, he got scared and he quickly pulled his head in and he quickly pulled his tail in and he sat very still. He did not move at all. Where did he pull his tail and pull his head? Inside the shell. This is his shell. He pulled his head and he pulled his legs inside the shell. Outside the sky grew dark, and that time what happened? There was darkness. The sky got dark and the crows flew past, means the crows flew away. Caw, 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 caw. They did caw, 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 and they flew away from there and the sky got dark. There was darkness all over there. Oh, but where were the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers. This is his feelers. Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers, means he took out his feelers and looked for whom? For his friends ants. All his friends were hiding under a flower pot. They were hiding under a flower pot, means his friends the ants were hiding under a flower pot. Go home, Sunu Sunu, the ants cried out when he was looking the here and there the ants, his friends the ants said, go home, Sunu Sunu. They cried out, they shouted, they said very loudly, go home, Sunu Sunu, hurry, hurry, your mother will worry. Hurry, hurry, your mother will worry. Go quickly from here to your mother. Your mother must be worried. Your mother must be thinking about you. So go home. Quickly go home to your mother. Sunu Sunu went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the well. Her mother was sitting under a stone near the well. When he saw his mother, he said, Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there is a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh, ooh, Amma, I saw a great big storm in the garden. And I heard the sound of wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This was the sound of wind. I saw trees sway, sway, sway. I also saw, Amma, trees there. And the trees were swaying. Swaying means the trees were moving left, right, to and fro, up and down. They were moving. They were swaying. And they were making sound. Shay, shay, shay. The trees were making sound. Shay, shay, shay. And I saw lightning. Flash, flash, flash. Amma, I saw lightning also in the garden. There was a sudden bright light from the clouds. It was flashing from the clouds, the sudden bright light, and the sound was light. The sound of light was zazak, zazak, zazak. And what else he saw? He heard thunder. He also heard thunder, a loud noise from the clouds, from the sky. He heard the sound of thunder, roll, 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 gadam gudum, gadam gudum. I heard rain, fall, fall, fall. I also heard raining, fall, fall. Rain was falling and it was making sound, sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita. And I heard water also dripping. I heard sound of water. It was dripping, plip, 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 plip. It was dripping means it was falling. It was the biggest storm Sunu had ever been in. Means it was the biggest storm that Sunu had seen in his life, or first time he had seen this kind of biggest storm. Ooh, ooh, she, zazak, zazak, gadam, gudum, sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita, plip, plip, plip. All these sounds were of water, trees, wind, light, thunder. All these sounds were of bad weather. Ooh, ooh was sound of water, wind. She was sound of trees. Zazak, zazak was sound of light. Gadam, gudum was sound of thunder. Sita, sita, pita, pita was sound of rain. Plip, plip, plip was sound of water. And you know what happened, and you know what the writer is saying. Do you know what? Sunu did not get wet. Do you know why? Now writer wants to ask you, Sunu in this storm did not get wet at all. Do you know why? Yes, we know why Sunu did not get wet, because Sunu had pulled his head, pulled his body, pulled his legs inside the shell. That is why he did not get wet. Okay, children? And the new words which we have read in the lesson were snail, dark, feelers, storm, lightning, thunder. Snail is a animal. See, this is snail. Dark is a light which was dark, very black color. The light was the light was dark. The environment weather was totally without light, totally black. Feelers means antenna, two antennas on the head of snail. Storm means a bad weather, a very bad weather with a loud noise. Lightning means sudden bright light. Thunder means a loud noise. Okay, children, these words which you have read in this lesson are new words. Now all other text work, question answers and things we will do in the live class. Okay, children, I am going to give you copy work that you do. Bye.